Good afternoon mga palangga. It's nice to see you. It's been 2 days and never really had a chance to talk to you, to my camera, because I'm just so busy. So anyway, we are out with the dogs. John is not here. He went to Manchester. I love to go to Trafford Center. I never been to Trafford Center, but never really had a chance. Well, anyway, one day probably I will go there alone. Oh, just go. It's quite cold today. It's been raining as well, so it's fresh. So I don't really know what to vlog today. So anyway, samahan niyo ako na palabasin tong mga alaga ko. They're having their business, Pipa, and PB is right here. Umuulan na naman mga palangga. It's raining. We need to move faster. Come on, girls. Come on. I don't think so mga palangga that Mama Duck and her nest survived, because yesterday we noticed that the Mama Duck is not on the island anymore, and I don't know, we cannot see the eggs, and we did not see any sign of baby duck. So I don't really know. We don't really know where are they. I am really hoping that they are hiding with their baby ducks, so we will keep an eye on them. It's so warm here now in the greenhouse, seriously warm, and it's just pleasant. And yeah, and I really think mga palangga that my pineapple, I'm not claiming ha, iwan ko kung nag-a-assume lang ba ako, pero I really think that my pineapple is growing. I really think so. Hopefully we will have a pineapple soon. We will have a pineapple plantation. Charot, plantation talaga ng pineapple, no? So anyway, John called me earlier and he said that he will be home at 4:45, and the last time I checked the clock it was 2:45, I think. So still few hours to go. So I don't really know what to do today because it's weekend. It's my weekend off from work, and there's just a lot of things to do. I don't know why I'm putting so much pressure on myself, and yeah, don't know what to do. I don't know what to do because there's a lot of things to do and I don't know what to do first. Oh dear. Let's go here, girls. This way. This way. Come on. Come on, you. They're looking at me like, is she crazy? My mama is crazy. I am inside the house now, and we will prep the vegetable for sinigang, because tonight we will have a sinigang. So the ingredients for sinigang is pak choy, or some people may call it bok choy. Some people, I've heard some people say bok choy. Spinach, what is it? Green beans. Kung ano lang meron kami, yun yung sinasahog ko sa sinigang namin. I dropped the broccoli. And also I will add a cabbage. Nahulog yung broccoli. And also yung main ingredients is pork. There you go. It's been a while na hindi kami nakapag sinigang kasi wala nga kami ganito yung sinigang mix, and the last time we went to rental shop we did get, so this is it. I'm looking forward for it. Jan just called me mga palangga, and he said he will be home in 30 minutes. So we need to start cooking. So ito na yung pot natin. Ito yung pot na gagamitin natin. And i-sprayhan ko lang siya yung sunflower cooking spray. Tamad ako kunin yung oil namin doon sa cupboard. So ito na lang. It's handy. Hindi ko siya mag-press. That's it. There you are. Kunting oil lang. Mostly sa mga Filipino food na niluluto ko, they are mostly came from Panlasang Pinoy. Pinapalo ko yung Panlasang Pinoy. Well, nanonood ako sa Panlasang Pinoy. And yun nga, sabi ko sa inyo na I don't follow recipe, but mostly sa mga recipe ko, they are inspired by Panlasang Pinoy. So, they are not mine. John is here, mga palangga. He is in the workshop. My battery is flashing. So, anyway, malapit na maluto yung natin, sinigang. And yung rice natin. And also, I made yung ginisang sitaw. Nilagyan ko siya ng baboy. At may konting repolyo din. This is the leftover rice from this morning. Kasi nag-fried rice ako this morning. So, yeah, yun yung update natin mga palangga. So, i-update ko kayo. Mag-change lang ako ng battery and babalikan ko kayo. If you're wondering why John went to Manchester earlier, he contacted a guy on eBay because that guy is selling Range Rover parts, and then so John is interested to buy it, so he went to that guy today. So yun yung ginawa niya. Saan ba si John? Uy, tatawagin natin. It's ready. John, it's ready. It's ready. Okay, hello. Hello, girls. Hello. Do you want more treats? After tea, I will give you some treats, okay? Here's the sinigang. And Jen.
My small amount, your large amount.
Large amount. That's small.
Camera's lies. It smells good. The taste, I don't know.
Come on, try it.
Oh, it'll taste like it normally does. Wonderful.
How is it?
Orgasmic.
The next day.
So we're going to the tip.
I need my Tesco card in there as well for the points.
Yeah, and we're going to a fuel station as
You better go
well.
fuel station.
I'm so sleepy. I'm not feeling well. I don't know.
What happened here?
So much stress from John.
Well, you ain't stressed from me. There's no stress. My word.
Look at my eye bags.
Well,
Because of him.
nothing to do with me. Just keeps attacking.
Yeah.
Just keeps attacking me in the middle of the night.
No,
Not my
last
fault.
night I got a pin in my left side.
Yeah.
And I don't know what is
like
it.
a brush handle.
Brush handle. No, I don't know what it is, but it's gone anyway. So
Badness coming
hopefully
out.
it will be alright. How much?
That was an expensive fill-up.
How much was it?
£97 and 26p.
Oh,
That's how empty my car was.
right, I see. We are in the tip, mga palangga. As usual, it's busy. So we're gonna put the glass in there from the greenhouse. Oh my! We were out and then the dog kennel is wide open. Can you see that door there? That one is wide open. Oh dear. It's very nice weather today. See, it's wide open. Jeez. There, at least the dog is still here. PB, relax. Can I see what you got yesterday? What did you got yesterday? Where are they? Ah, there you are. So explain what you got.
The rear quarter panels, definitely. Yeah. They are actually been new ones and put onto the car, and the car had an accident, so they've been taken up. So I bought them. You see, so they're solid. There's no corrosion on them. You see, a few scratches, but we can sort that out. Not a problem.
And what is this here?
Oh, that's the star of the show.
Yeah, can you open it?
This is something that we can't buy anymore. Not been able to buy for the last 20 odd years. But somebody's had this. It's a genuine Land Rover. Right hand side door. Right? And they're just impossible to buy. And I don't know how we managed to get it, but we did. Brand new.
What is that?
It's a door.
It's a door.
Yeah, we haven't got the top on, the top's bolting separately, you say, but it's absolutely brand new.
Oh, well done.
Yeah. I paid little money for it.
Yeah, for the lot, honey. How much you paid again?
I paid for everything. Yesterday I paid £1,200.
Yeah, but if you buy them brand new, just in case it's...
Excluding this door, if I bought those brand new, which you can buy them brand new, would cost me £3,800.
And how much you paid for those lots?
Well, just for them bits, I paid £800.
That's
And
a good...
400 for the door.
Yeah.
That piece alone, that little piece there, £195 plus VAT. The middle bar, £150, £59 plus VAT. So you got £295 plus VAT end bits and £159 middle bit. These.
What are those?
These as you go along the bottom, right? £195 each.
Oh my.
These are actually absolute. They're only dirty, but they're in superb condition. We can make those like new. So, yeah, incredible. But that door is the star of the show because I could actually sell that probably for £1,500, more than I paid for everything. But I'm going to use it.
So that's it. I see some sheep here, mga palangga, oh. So we will just see how they are. There they are. They got a black sheep here, which we never had in the Philippines, I think. I never see one in the Philippines. So there they are. Ah, they're scared. And also they got a little lamb in there. There's a black lamb there and there's white one as well. Hello. Don't be scared. No, they're scared. They're running away. They're so fat. Look at them. Hello. No, they're scared of me. Ah, bye-bye. I make too much noise. There's an airplane over there flying. Yeah, it's probably practicing or something. Look at his booty.
Nothing wrong with my booty. Many girls like to squeeze it.
Really? How many?
Many.
Many.
Oh yeah. You can keep getting off messages.
Okay. My strawberry. They have flowers now. Oh, OMG. They got flowers. A lot of flowers. Tingnan niyo. Hindi talaga ako pwede sa acrylic nails. Kasi mahilig ako sa gardening. John said that he found a squirrel and he suspected that the squirrel is not...
Tree. I've passed it twice and it's tried to go up the tree and seemed to have a problem.
Right, so
Well, it's
we
been hit by a
suspected...
car or something, I don't know.
We suspected that the squirrel is not well, so we will try to go there. Oh, there you are. I can see it. I can see it, Han. There they are. No, it's in there. In the tree. On the bottom of the tree. Can you see its tail?
No.
No, it's there, John. It's in there, behind the grass. Yeah, it looks like the squirrel, there's something wrong with it. It's right behind the tree now. Let me just have a look. Or is it having a baby?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Oh.
Just a little bit.
Oh.
On its last leg.
So, yeah, we really think that the squirrel is not well. It's an adult squirrel, but we think that we don't know for certain what's happening with her. But normally the squirrel is like very fast. They cannot be near with humans, but I don't know what's wrong with her. I will plant the tomatoes today. So the tomatoes are in the kitchen. They are here. They are here. So that's the pepper, the cucumber, and the tomatoes. Itatanim ko rin yung pineapple ko sa ground, mga palangga. So I dig a hole already. I should have put this in the ground directly really, but I don't know what I'm thinking at that time. So ilalagay na natin siya sa ground. Ang titingnan natin kung yung ano natin, yung ano bang tawag sa roots? Anong Tagalog sa roots? Basta the roots of our pineapple, because as you can see before I planted it, there's a little roots coming out from our pineapple. So tingnan natin kung yung roots, ano ba, lumaki ba yung roots. So tingnan natin the moment of truth. Let's see. Ay, lumaki siya, mga palangga. Uy, lumaki siya. I don't know if you could see it, but it's growing. Hala, it's growing, my pineapple. So yun na, natanim ko na siya. So we need to water them before they gonna be dead. Hello, good morning. It's another day, mga palangga. And sad news, yung squirrel na nakita nyo kahapon, namatay yung squirrel. I really know that the squirrel is not well yesterday. So yun, namatay siya, mga palangga. So anyway, mga palangga, i-end ko na yung vlog. Sobrang sunny ngayon. And someone wants to join us. So anyway, that's it for me today. I will see you in my next video. And bye! Bye, Pipa! Bye-bye! Bye-bye to them! Bye!